So here's how to subscribe to Amazon Prime on the iPhone, and let's get started. And if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you never miss anything important. So the first step is to get the official Amazon app from the App Store. If you don't have it, of course, go to the App Store, and you can also update to the latest version of the app to just get the latest one. But of course, then you just get inside of the app. Make sure you are signed in. So if not, just sign in with your Amazon account or create a new one. But then you can just go to this section. So as I said, you have to be signed in, and you can start browsing all of the products available on Amazon, right? And of course, you can go to your account and manage your orders and all of the other things, but we want to subscribe to the Amazon Prime. So the best way to do it is to literally just go to the search and look up the word Prime into the search, right? And it's going to show you the first thing at the top is likely going to be the Amazon Prime. So you can click on it and then you can just join it, right? You should be able to click on it, and all of the other things are going to be listed out in here, like all of the benefits you're going to get with the subscription. So that works just fine. Just go through it. It might move you over from the app and perhaps go to a website. If it asks you to sign in, again, you have to go through it. I would say that it also depends on the region. Like there are different regions for Amazon. So you might be in the UK or US version. So it's it depends, right? So that's kind of how you have to go through it. But I really think that you should be able to make it work. As I said, you can go to the website and in here just confirm the subscription, set up the payment and all of that. But yeah, that's basically it. I really hope that I can help you out and guide you through it. Thanks a lot for watching. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.